From Kathyskutekreations Creations. Today we're going to open our Walmart box. So let's take a look and see what's in it. Okay, so I stopped the film because I asked my granddaughter to come up because I know that she likes these Walmart boxes. So let's go ahead and open it. Okay. You want to change the camera?
Yeah.
All right. Hold on one second. We're going to change the camera.
Hello?
All right. So I'm going to take out the pieces of board here, the flyers. Okay. And there's everything that's in the box. Now remember, all the contents are free. The box costs $5 for shipping and handling if anybody's interested in getting the box, and it comes out 4 times a year. I'll put the link below. It's just walmart.com. Okay, let me go with this one first. So now they have a Hello toothbrush. It says charcoal infused tapered bristles.
Hello is the brand. You can get their
I don't know if that's going to be close
toothpaste
enough.
too. It is.
We'll do a close-up shot when we're done here. Okay, so that's that. Go ahead. You want to pull something out?
Look at that!
How many
It's
are there? 24.
It's 24. It's so that you have.
Extras in case you break one or something?
Yeah.
Okay, so what comes with it? Because it says it's a set of something.
It's
Nail
a set
file?
of nails.
Yeah, but it's got nail file and
your
professional glue.
Nail glue. Maybe it is that. I don't know if you can see very well, but
Pretty nice.
it's marbled with the gold.
Is it gold? Yeah.
I think it's gold accents. It could be rose gold. Because according to you, I'm colorblind.
No, you just see it differently. Okay. Calm Magnesium Supplement. Raspberry lemon flavor. We'll have to try that. 1 packet is 1 serving. Place 1 packet into a cup or mug. Add 2 to 3 ounces of warm water and let your drink fizz. Stir it until the powder is completely dissolved. Then fill the remainder of the cup with warm or cold water.
Yummy.
Now experience calm.
Fizzy flavored water.
Yeah. That might taste pretty good too. I like raspberry and lemon.
All yours.
Okay. Oh, here's a card on it. So it says, de-stress with a moment of calm.
Cheater.
5 ways to practice self-care right now. Take a 10-minute walk during your lunch. Stretch by your desk after writing a long email. Text your best friend to catch up. Plan an easy but delicious dinner by tonight. And take a moment to enjoy natural validity calm.
I think you pronounced that wrong.
All right, you pronounce it.
Where is it? Vitality.
Where's it at?
Vitality.
Oh, yeah. I left the T out. Okay.
Vitality.
I said validity or something like that. I don't know.
I don't know.
Okay.
Biore, Love Your Pores, Rose Quartz, and Charcoal for oily skin. I don't know how many. I don't think I've had Biore before. I know they make the nose strips though.
Now, it looks like it's pink, but I would have thought that it might be a little bit of gray or something.
No. It's only a little bit of charcoal in there. It's not.
Okay, so it looks like we've got double this, and probably we're only supposed to get 1, but we got 2. So this is New Suave Professionals Curl Defining Cream for natural curly and oily hair. And we have a little pamphlet on it.
Coily, not oily.
I thought it said oily hair.
Coily.
Oh my gosh, it did say coily.
It's coily.
Okay, excuse
not
me.
for you. You have straight hair.
Alright, so save $2.50 before the end of June. Well, that's not bad. Comes in a, looks like, so it comes in a tab like your shampoo would, but then it also comes in a pump because they've got shampoo, curl conditioner, and what's this one here? I can't read that.
Do you like it?
That must be the kind that's in here.
Are you licking it?
And then they've actually got a jar, and I can't make out what the jar says. It says leave in the conditioner for a certain amount of time, so it's probably one of those heat treatment type things.
No, it's a leave-in conditioner.
Is that what it is? Conditioner?
Yes.
Okay. For damaged hair. Okay, what's left? One more thing in the box.
You want to review it?
She doesn't read yet.
Flash whitening toothpaste. She's licking it though. So that goes with your toothbrush here. Do you want to hold it up? It's the whitening toothpaste.
And it's natural peppermint. Let's go that way with it. And like I said, we'll show it here.
You like
And that was it for the box. So we'll lay it out here and let everybody take a look. Close up. Okay, so here's our close-up of everything that's in the box. There's the nails, the toothbrush, the toothpaste, the drink that's 2 to 3 ounces, the cream rinse.
That is not cream rinse, child.
Excuse me.
It's cream.
It's just, well, I thought that was cream rinse.
No.
It's cream? Okay. And then the cleansing. This is for your face, the cleansing.
Yeah.
And I'll put all the information down below where you can check it out if you want to subscribe to it for $5 4 times a year. All right, everybody. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it. And welcome to all my new YouTube subscribers. Bye-bye. Till next time. Did you want to say something?
Like you don't know how to shut it off or something. Or be like, oh, I think I forgot such and such.
I think that's everything that was in the box. And here she's taking it and... Oh, I thought for sure you would take that.
No.
All right, you're the one with all the curls.
No.
I don't have curls.
I don't have coily hair.
Coily, excuse me.
I have like curly wavy.
All right.
I'll take these.